Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. After you have been stuck in this screen for a long time, probably your iPhone is stuck on estimating time remaining and you don't know how to fix this issue well. In most cases it is caused by several situations like problem in network, connectivity, insufficient storage space, the server is busy due to excessive traffic. Therefore we are here for your rescue with some useful tips and methods that will help you fix it. Now, let's check the first one. Fix 1. Reset network settings. Find the settings. Go to General, Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Then wait for the iPhone to restart. Now we just need to connect to an available network manually. Here we go to iPhone storage. Find the iOS16 update and delete it. Then you can try to download and install iOS16 again. Fix 2. Check storage space. This step is to check if the phone memory is enough to download the firmware. So we go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Here you need to make sure you have enough space to download iOS16. Fix 3. Update iPhone via iTunes. Let's connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open iTunes. You can see the iPhone icon. Click it. Click Check for Update. Click Update to proceed. iTunes will download the firmware. Note that this process may take some time. Well done, update completed, but sometimes iTunes is not stable. If your update fails, here is a better option for you. Fix 4. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. Connect your iPhone to your PC. Launch UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Click Start button. We select the standard repair here, which can help you update without losing any data. Download the firmware. Look, it starts repairing. Great, it says that the repair is completed. Let's check it out. As you can see, the software version is updated to iOS 16 now. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.